You have to create your own music as an athlete. So you have to rehearse that music in the cacophony, in the chaos of practice. You have to create chaos in practice, what I call pressure, but not neurotic pressure. So that when you get to the game, you literally say, I'm just back at practice. I'm back in James Whitaker's living room having tea. And practicing that so that you can bring it back. So then it comes back to, in essence, being a life actor, and in the practice and rehearsal, bringing in all the components and dimensions, literally your smell, your sight, your hearing, your touch, and using those references to project yourself into those moments when you have to kick the game-winning field goal. And by the way, the game-winning field goal might be the 25 gimme field goal in the first quarter, and you win by 3 points because you were focused, even though some people might have said, well, of course I'm going to make that. That's what I love, is the preparation. And if you come to love the preparation, what I noticed today, James, when I train, I get the same sort of intensity. And you're right, it is will, but I want to comment on that too, because the role of the ego versus the role of the spirit is everything. But in those workouts today, I still get pumped up. I still have that bringing myself into that place of battle, that intensity. And so when I try to train others, I have to decrescendo that, because they feel it and it's not their level of commitment yet, perhaps. Some of them love it. Some of them are a little bit disconcerted by it, but that's a lifelong skill.